Unlock direct connections with your audience by mastering the art of building a professional contact page in Webflow today. First, let's start by adding a new section to your canvas. This will serve as the container for all the elements on our contact page inside this section. We'll add a div block. This div will help us organize and structure the content within our contact section for better control. Now, let's give this div some breathing room. Select it, and in the Style panel, add some top and bottom padding. This ensures our content isn't too close to the edges, making it visually more appealing and easier to read. Next, let's add a main heading for our contact section. Drag a heading element into the div block. You can type in something like, "Get in touch," or "Contact us," to clearly label the purpose of this page. Style this heading to match your brand. Adjust the font size, weight, and color in the Style panel to make it stand out and align with your overall website design. Below the heading, add a paragraph element for some introductory text here. You can briefly explain how visitors can reach you or provide links to your social media profiles. The core of our contact page is the form from the Elements panel. Drag a form block onto your canvas, placing it within the main div. This is where users will input their details. With the form block selected, let's configure its settings. You'll see options to set where the form submission should be sent. For now, we'll leave it as is, but remember to set up your email address here later. Webflow provides standard form fields like name, email, and message. You can easily add more fields if needed, like a drop-down or a checkbox, by dragging them from the Elements panel into the form block. Finally, add a button element inside the form block to act as your submit button. Label it something clear like Send Message. Style this button to match your brand. Give it a background color, adjust the text color, and consider adding hover effects for a more interactive experience. And there you have it, a functional and professional contact page ready to connect you with your audience.